Do you want to see the ultimate mid-range tractor? We're getting ready to show you the world-leading Massey Ferguson 6700 Series S. This is the super high-spec, superior features and performance mid-range tractor on the market today. This tractor features the amazing Dyna-VT transmission. It is a constantly variable transmission from 60 feet per hour all the way up to 33 mile an hour, because this one's got the quad link power front axle, heavy duty front axle suspension, keeps that tire on the ground, lets you go faster, and it's from Massey Ferguson. If you want to look for features, value, and the best in performance, you got to come check out these Massey Fergusons. AGCO power engines. We'll get in here and we're going to get in depth in this. The Dyna-VT transmission. It's made by our sister company Fendt of Germany. Got the Fendt style rear end, heavy lifting capacities, lots of value, lots of features. This one's getting ready to go to its new home, as this is the first Massey Ferguson to hit that farm. And why? It's because of these features that I'm getting ready to tell you about. The new FL series loaders, the 6700S series from Massey Ferguson provides feature, power, and performance like no other. We're going to pop open the hood and show you what it's all about. Got the cartridge style air cleaner, you got your condenser package. It's got a lot of space in here. Take that air comb and you can blow those condensers out and keep that dirt and dust from your radiator, your coolers, your condensers. And you look at the size of those condensers, man. That's one thing to check if you got a real CVT or an imitation. We don't have to have a great big cooler because we're not creating a lot of heat with our transmission. This is mechanically driven all the time. The AGCO power engine. Got your filters right here on the left hand side, your fuel filters, your engine oil filter, all easy to get to there. This tractor does not require a diesel particulate filter. Zoom right in down here, you can see our engine oil dipstick right there. Got pivoting front fenders, you can see that. This one's featured with the Michelin. This has got the 380 85 R30s on the back and the 480 80 R42s Michelin's on the rear. This is the Gen 2 Agribib. Toolbox will come with it. We've got his accessories in there. This one is getting ready to head to its home the end of the week. Got the LED light package up on top in the front here. Lots and lots of light, crisp, bright white light. Allows you to work those extra hours in the evening or a little earlier in the morning. The FL 4125 loader. This one features the live third function. You got the live third function couplers. It's got the Euro quick attach. Simple and easy. Pull that lever. We've done several videos on this. Pull that lever, come under here with your hook, pick it up, roll it back, snaps in place. You only have to leave the tractor once. Best quick attach system in the country or the world. The best hydraulic power front axle. You can turn this axle on and off. So if you're doing loader work, need precision, you can turn it off, let it set to the ground, or it'll raise itself. We'll jump around here, look at the right hand side of the engine. Man, and it's the most awesome, easy emission system maintenance in the world. It's the dual sister variable rate DEF system from Massey Ferguson. You got a knock sensor right here past the turbocharger. It injects the DEF if it needs to. If it don't need DEF, we don't inject that stuff. You have no catalyst, catch cans, ammonia oxidation canisters, or whatever all these fancy new terms are coming up. Comes in here, right back here, you have another diesel knock sensor that reads the results after it's sensed. And then you just got a muffler up there. We're seeing higher fuel performance, cleaner emissions, It's helping the world, getting more power, more torque, makes it a cleaner, greener earth, and it's the simplest, easiest solution without sacrificing performance of your engine. When you're checking out emission systems on your new tractor, you need to check and learn how they do it. Not all systems are created equal. DEF systems, SCR, whatever they're going to call it, selective catalyst reduction. Some of them overdose and waste your money by overdosing to clean their exhaust. Not with Massey Ferguson. We meter the DEF just to the amount that you need. You got your auxiliary hydraulic tank here. You can see min max right there, easy. Got 2-door cab. You can step up either side. Got the extendable breakaway road lights with the long axles on this one. This one, they're going to possibly use duals, so we got the long axles here for them. Pivoting front fenders. And it's simple, easy to maintain, easy to operate, easy to use. Everything's easy from Massey Ferguson. Pull the hood down. And let's get ready to take it a ride. But we need to go check out the back end. That's the business end. Big, beefy rear end. Look at those 3-point lift cylinders. Mechanical OptiRide cab suspension. This one's got 4 sets of remotes. You got the pressure reliefs, ISOBUS compatible. You got an ISOBUS baler planter. You can plug it right in here and use the performance monitor in the cab to do that. Your ISO power light socket, if you got lights on there. There's your dual control, power beyond. Big beefy rear end. This one's got the 1000 PTO 540 comes with it. You got the telescopic link arms. There's just a lot of cast iron metal back here. Built for reliability and performance, man. That's what Massey Ferguson's all about. If you're tired of your tractor getting broke down, come check us out at Massey Ferguson. Got 3-point raise and lower controls. You can actually activate one of the hydraulics and your PTO on-off switch. Available as standard features here. Got the rotating beacons. We got it down. Got the new big tele mirrors there. Multiple views, makes it nice and easy. Big ground level fuel tank and your DEF. Your DEF goes in here and your diesel fuel goes in here. Quick detached loaders. You pull this thing off, pull it, drop your 2 loader stands, roll your loader off, get it off the tractor, and get back to doing work, your non-loader work. We'll jump up here in this big spacious panoramic cab. Got the buddy seat here, take your rider along. You can actually, if we drop the parking brake, you can extend it out. So you got a big seat there, got a little field office back here, got a place to put a thermos there, rear washer, front wiper, got the pull down sunshade, just pull this tab to lift it up, a lot of air vents, and a nice big giant air ride seat. This tractor actually is featured with a 50-gallon per minute hydraulic, so it's got tons of hydraulic. Anybody guess what that is? It's where you put your water bottle. When the air blows, it'll blow cold air through there. AM FM radio. Got the manual climate control in this one. This one is featured with the FieldStar 5 package. It's got guidance on it. This is your performance monitor. This is going to be your FieldStar 5 monitor that you're going to do your guidance with. This is going to use your tractor performance. Turn the key on here. And you got some cool video graphics that come on with it. We'll fire it up here. All you got to do is punch the clutch in. That is the absolute last time you ever have to use a clutch pedal to start the tractor. Got tilt and telescopic steering. Pull that. Let it down, pull it back, and the whole display comes with you. Got your dash control center over here on the left. Your little pad down here, we'll go through all of those, and we've done videos to show the differences there. There's your different screens. There's a multitude of things you can do, from headlands, you can count your acres, you can go through here fuel usage, you can look at even DEF usage, and man, we're seeing some very low readings on the ones we see in the track and come back in to get their annual maintenance done. Multiple things, from the PTO to 3-point, to you can adjust the modulation, how aggressive forward, reverse, how aggressive the speed and velocity controls. That's just like a cruise control function, or your foot pedal mode, how aggressive those things kick in. You can adjust hydraulic cylinders, multitudes of different things that you can do here, or you can actually do it in the performance monitor. This is transmission engine controls. You can monitor the input and output of your tractor. I always said one of the coolest things is you come down here, push it in, we've got efficiencies. And if you're gonna provide efficiency readings, you better be able to perform, and Massey Ferguson can do that. This has got the Deluxe package with the joystick, multifunction joystick, the T-handle. A premium version is available, and you get a multifunction transmission controller. You got your constant one, which is a cruise control function there. If you're not using headlands, you can put a second one here, engine speed A. You've got your 3-point raise and lower. Got 2 sets of remote valves here, and when you turn the loader on, this operates the 2 electric valves, and got 2 extra mechanical valves. This will activate the hydraulics or lock it. This is your SV1, SV2 controller. This is dynamic tractor management, and that is probably the most awesome feature of this thing. You can push that button, and it's only going to use the amount of engine RPMs this tractor needs to do the job that you want and maintain the ground speed you want. This is where you select either the joystick control, or you can actually transfer the engine ground speed by pushing that button to the foot pedal. So we're just going to do a quick overview of the panels over here. On the right hand, that's the A pillar, this is the B pillar. Got our can cooler up here, your radio up here. Come down here, this is your lighting segment, and you can select these, but you'll need to first come down and turn on your lights down here before you can activate. And these are going to be the positions that they are: rear work lamps, your front lights. Some of these you may not have. That's rotating beacons. One of the things, if you tap this, took off our work lights. You tap this, that work lights, road lights. So these functions here help control that panel. Then you have your 540 or 1000, like this one has 1000 shaft. This is where you select 1000. Up here, these are your 3-point hitch controls, your raise and lower. This is your position or draft control. This is the speed of fall. This is the height of raise. Does not have combining valve. If they're not lit up, those functions are not available in this tractor. As we mentioned, this is your loader control. That's your hazard lights. This is your lighting controls, your power front, your auto power front. This is your differential lock and your auto different lock. This is the front axle suspension, and you can feel the tractor going down. I'm going to tap it now, and the front axle suspension will start coming back up. This is your guidance, your GPS auto guide that is going to be available through the FieldStar 5, and this is speed steer. Speed steer allows you to get full turn with minimal revolutions, versus off, you have to spin the wheel a lot more to get it to turn. PTO engagement, you push it, that's your PTO on, that's your off position, and then you have a brake position, and you have auto PTO. This is the hydraulic lock, so if your joystick don't work, all you got to do is tap that and your joystick works. That activates the hydraulics, makes it sure everything's safe. Got our 3-point raise and lower. You have to hit the neutral button twice to activate the PTO, or the 3-point, and you see it coming up there. Check out that new Fieldstar 5 with that graphics touchscreen. This is now a touchscreen. You can do your guidance from here. That's all new. Fieldstar 5, gonna have the Novotel receiver on here. Crank up a little tunes.
Yeah, okay. Oh, man.
But fuses, relays back here, got power port, got the 3-pin ISO power port too, got diagnostics port. Nice armrest that's adjustable to fit your needs there. Make it nice and easy.
Is what I'm hearing.
Let's just flip the loader on. And look at that loader speed, man. We've got lots of speed. Do multiple functions. If you want to do 3rd and 4th functions, that's your 3rd, that's your 4th function. We don't have anything hooked up, but you can see the hoses are actually activating there. This guy can run an actual grapple, tilt, dump, do all 3 functions at once, all from a single joystick. There's a trigger on the back here. Moving. This is the awesome, one of the most awesome features. You use your foot, the more foot pedal you give it, the faster she'll go. And forget, you never need that left foot anymore once you get her started. One of the cool things I'm going to show you real quick in our dash control center is right there. Under the wrench, the gear with the wrench is that first one. You hit the OK down here, you highlight it, you hit up. That is auto neutral. And we hit OK, we entered it. We're going to switch over here to joystick mode. Tractor's going to move forward. We hit our C1, our constant speed. Now when I hit auto neutral, you can see a tractor stop. And then it goes again. Be great for a round baler function. There's a lot of ways to drive it. This is the simplest, easiest transmission to operate. All you got to know is this power controller. Power shuttle here. It's a 3-function. You've got your forward, neutral, reverse. You've got D-clutch, raise the neutral lever up. But the other thing is you can increase speed here. You can increase or decrease speed within the gate. So you've got 3 functions. Speed increase, you've got directional control and neutral functions all available in your power controller. That's all you have to know to drive this tractor. What we're showing you is advanced added features. With the T-handle, it increases or decreases the speed with it. You got your speed and constant velocity controls is another way to drive it. If you're doing a lot of turnarounds and that type of stuff, you can use that to do your work speed and your ground and your turnaround speeds. And then we showed you the foot pedal mode. That's another way. But here's one of the cool ones. To start this, you hit the clutch in, hit the neutral trigger in the back and the forward, and it'll set forward there. You just tap the plus and you're going. Want to hit reverse, you push the neutral trigger in the back and it's going to go backwards. Want to go forward again, all you're doing is hitting both of these buttons at the same time. You can do forward reverse shuttles all from your loader joystick. Man, wouldn't that be awesome handling hay? This tractor is loaded full of features, options, choices to make it easier to do more work. Look at that nice visibility from that loader too. This new curved arm design, it's a smaller profile, gives you a lot better visibility.
We wanted to make the best socks in the history of feet. No more annoying seam, no
This nice, cool, super comfortable cab, man. It's a Massey Ferguson. This is the new 6700 S series. I call it the S for superior features and functions and performance. You can call it whatever you want, but it is super awesome. Maybe super awesome would be the good terminology, or superior features. I like both of them, but it is a super nice tractor. When you look at the value, the features, the performance, and the world's only constant true CVT transmission. I mean, this transmission is not a variable speed power shift. That is one of the big differences. And look at that loader performance, man. You can get a lot of work done. You can tune that and set those flow controls however you like it. We're setting them fast because this customer is going to find out how much more features, performance, value that he's getting with his new Massey Ferguson. Look at all them super bright LED lights. I wish it was nighttime so you could see all of these lights. Look at these LEDs on this tractor, man. They are super bright at night. Big bright lights. And how much it lights up the sky. We got the rotating beacons on. Those will flip up. They're breakaway style. We've got them, so we're getting ready to transport this, which you got 4 big old bright LEDs in the back. 30-mile-an-hour transmission, so people know behind you that you're going to go fast. Just make sure you slow down when you go through a school zone, because you can get a speeding ticket in this tractor. And look at that super high lift from that FL 4125 loader. That's a beast of a machine. This is the new 6700 S series from Massey Ferguson. It's mean, it's got a mean look. It's ready to take on any job that you ask for. If you're in West Central Missouri, come visit us at Vahrenberg Implement. We're your Massey Ferguson dealer. We're here to teach you and show you the differences in the value and the features and performance so you get the most out of your tractor, whether it's a subcompact or all the way up through our large utility tractors and even our mid-range and our high horsepower tractors. We're located right here at Business 13 and Missouri 13 in Higginsville, Missouri. It's the first stoplight from Interstate 70, and we're just a short 4 minutes from Interstate 70, and we're just 49 miles from the Missouri-Kansas line. We'd like to earn your business, but we'd like to show you what you get and the features you get and how to get the most out of your investment when you choose Massey Ferguson. Just come check us out as our big Vahrenberg Implement AGCO, your agricultural company sign here on 13 Highway in Higginsville, Missouri.